Welcome back to my channel. Today we learn the subject science of standard 6 natural resources air, water and land. Let's start the today's session. Today we learn the third natural resources land, that is lithosphere. Children, do you know land is the topmost layer present on the earth's surface. Land is seen in the form of stones, soil, big rocks. It is not flat everywhere. It is hilly in some places and flat in other places. Some terrestrials dig burrows in the ground for shelter. This means that they use land for fulfilling their needs. We also use land for farming and for building houses and roads. We make use of plants and animals in the forest that grow on land. Children, do you know minerals, crude oil, natural gas obtained from the earth, that is land, are very important for us. It means that land is very important resource. Now we see layers of land. If we dug the pits, we see the some layers under the land as shown in figure. Children, do you know if the land has a mature soil, the topmost layer is formed by the decomposition of remains of plants and animals. This layer is called as humus. It is usually found in dense forest. The land below this layer is full of sand, soil, small stones, worms and insects. Soil and pieces of bedrock are found below this layer of land. This soil is immature soil. Below this layer, the proportion of soil decreases and the proportion of rock increases. This is the layer of bedrock. Do you know the main minerals in the soil are derived from these rocks? That's why soil in different region is different. The color and texture of soil are both determined by the bedrocks. Let's see the process of soil formation. The soil on the land is formed by a natural process. The soil is formed from rocks. The sun, heat, rain and wind helps the big rock to crack and break into smaller pieces. This process is known as weathering. Stones, sand and soil are formed from these pieces. Microbes, worms and insects are found among them. Rodents like mice and rats are also found here. The roots of tree growing on the land also help weathering of rock. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years for a 2.5 cm thick layer of mature soil to form. Soil can get destroyed in a short period due to floods, storms and human activities such as mining. That's why it is necessary to conserve soil and prevent erosion of land. The best remedy for this to increase the green cover of the land and erosion of land is reduced if grass, trees and bushes are grown in it. Use land, water and air available on earth. The portion of these resources that are actually put to use are very small as compared to the whole earth. See the table. In this table, we see the proportion of land is 29%. The potable water, that is fresh water, is 0.3% and oxygen is 21%. Even in this small proportion, the resources shown in the above table is very sufficient for all living things. So, it is very necessary for man to control his greed. In other words, he must use these resources judiciously. Thanks for watching video.